Hello traders, in this lecture we are going to look at how to exactly plot the Gann levels on the chart using the VWAP indicator. So as you all know, those who are already trading in this Indian stock market, that the stock market gets closed at 3:30 p.m. and opens at 9 a.m. Means the pre-opening session starts at 9 a.m. and actual market starts at 9:15 a.m. Means the candlestick starts to react at 9:15 a.m. So here you can see the market got closed at 6th May 1525. Means it is a 10 minutes time frame. So the market has got closed at 1525 candlestick. So what we are going to do is that we are going to do the analysis for the next day for 7th of May. So we are going to look at how exactly we have to plot the Gann levels using the VWAP indicator. About the target, entries and the stop loss we are going to look in the upcoming lectures. I had told you in the previous lecture also, we are not going to hurry up for these lectures. Why? Because here each and every point is very important for understanding the Gann levels. So right now what we are going to do, we are going to add these both the indicators. First VWAP and second Gann indicator. So I have already made the template for Gann level indicator. So what you have to do, you just have to click on this template. So these both the indicators will get added out. So remember this point, if you want to create a template of this both the indicators, what you just have to do, add these indicators from your favorite list, then go in the template and save the template by your favorite name. I have saved the name by the name of Gann. That's why just by clicking on Gann, these both the indicators got appeared. So here you can see both the indicators have got added. The first indicator is merchant trading's Gann intraday levels. Second indicator is merchant trading spot VWAP indicator. So what we are going to do is that we are going to wait for the market movement. So here you can see the market has started and market has opened at 9:15 a.m. on 7th of May. Now what you have to do, you have to turn on the VWAP indicator. Now in the VWAP indicator, here you are having the option of color and width. It's your choice what width, what color you have to select. Right now I have kept the color as green. I will change it to pink. So here you can see the color has got changed. Why I have changed the color to pink from green? Because the candlestick color was also the green color. That's why I have changed the color to pink. So here what is going to happen now is that we have to wait for the market to settle down. Till when? Till 9:35 a.m. Now we are going to do the fast forward. Right now here we are using the replay tool of tradingview.com. Here it is useful for doing the back testing. So this is the next candlestick of 9:25. Right now we are using the 10 minutes time frame. At 10 minutes time frame, the previous candlestick closed at 9:25 and opened at 9:15. It tells us the candlestick time frame is 10 minutes. Then the next candlestick opened at 9:25 and it is going to close at 9:35. Then again we are going to wait. Now when the 9:35 candlestick is going to open, we are not immediately going to take the value of VWAP, because the VWAP value can change if the candlestick is going to go up or it is going to go down. That's why we have to wait for the candlestick closing of 9:35 a.m. If you are using 5 minutes time frame, then also okay. If you are using 10 minutes time frame, then also okay. The VWAP value is not going to have so much difference in between the 10 minutes time frame and 5 minutes time frame. That's why it's okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to wait patiently till the next candlestick appears. Then we are going to take the value of VWAP and then we are going to input the same value into this indicator. Till then we have turned off this indicator. We have not turned on this indicator, because if you are going to turn on this indicator, the value will be different, and if the values are different, the market is going to squeeze it out. So that's why right now turn it off only, and whenever you are going to get the value of VWAP, then enter that value into this settings, then value, and then turn on this indicator. So now what you are going to do, you have going to wait for the candlestick closing. Then the next candlestick has got open and then it has got close. So this candlestick is of 9:45, means the previous 9:35 candlestick has got closed at 9:45. So now we are going to calculate the value of VWAP. So here you can see at 9:35 the VWAP value was somewhere here around. So the value here you can see at the right side, the price value you are going to take. You are not going to take the candlestick open, high, low, close value of 9:35. You are going to only take the VWAP price level value. So at this point the VWAP was at this price level and the price level was 33182. I will plot it down so that those who are not having the understanding that how we have taken the value, so that they will get clear. So see here at 9:35 the VWAP value was somewhere here. So what we are going to do, we are going to take this value 33182. What we are going to do, we are going to click on settings, then we are going to click here 33182. Then we have to click on extend. So the values have got appeared. So now what we are going to do, we are going to do the little settings in the merchant trading Gann intraday levels. So in that what you have to do, here you can see sell, here you can see the color is red. What you are going to do, you are going to increase the width of that line. Next buy, you are going to change the color to green. You are not going to keep the same color which is there for the candlestick because it can create a confusion. That's why I have kept it as green. Then the width will be increased. Then later on all these levels right now we are not needed. In the upcoming lectures I am going to show you that what is the need of this level. These levels which is called as R1, S1, R2, S2, S3 are also called as targets. So here you can see these levels have got plotted automatically. So if you are going to turn this off, the levels are going to disappear. If you are going to turn it on, the levels are going to get appeared. So here you can see this is the green line. So this green line is called as buy above and this red line is called as sell below. Whenever market is above the buy above level, then we say market is in the uptrend, and whenever the market is below the sell below level, then we say that the market is in the downtrend. So after that, here you can see how the market has got reacted from this Gann level indicator. See here. So here you can see how the market has reacted. On that day market has fallen around 365 points. So later on we have to see that what happened on that day. So see here. Okay. So this is how the market reacted on that day. So you can see that how the market reacted at the Gann levels. From the Gann levels the market was having the clear fall. Now here in this lecture we are just focusing on how to plot the Gann levels using the VWAP indicator. In the upcoming lectures we are going to show about the entry, exits and targets and how to exactly plot the levels that where we have to enter. So that's why just have the focus right now here that how we have plotted the Gann intraday levels using the VWAP indicator. Now there is the next day opening. So what we are going to do, first of all we are going to turn off the Gann intraday levels. Then we are going to wait for the 9:35 candlestick opening and closing. So here you can see this candlestick is 9:35 candlestick. Now this candlestick has got closed. Now what we are going to do, we are going to wait for another candlestick. So here you can see the 9:35 candlestick has got properly closed. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take the VWAP value of 9:35 candlestick. We are not taking the candlestick high price, we are taking the value of VWAP. during 9:35 am. So here you can see it is the value called as 33,136. So the value is 33,136. So what you are going to do here is that you are going to input this value in Gann intraday levels. So you are going to click here and you are going to enter the value as 33136 and then you are going to click on OK, and then later on you are going to turn it on. Now here you can see the Gann level has got activated. So for this day, for 10th of May, these were the Gann levels. Now we are going to see that how the market reacts. So see, the market was totally in the sideways, but here also we are having the analysis that how the market was reacting. In the upcoming lecture, we are also going to provide you the information that how to trade and how to analyze that the market is going to be sideways or whether market is going to be trendy using the Gann levels. That's why don't worry about this, that if we are having the entry and the market on that day is going to be sideways, how are we going to make the profits? So don't worry about it right now, just focus that how we are taking the value of VWAP at 9:35 am and how we are entering that value in Gann intraday levels. On the next day, on 11th May 9:15 am, the market got open. So now see here, what we are going to do, we are going to take the value of 9:35 am. So this was the candlestick of 9:35 am. This candlestick got closed at 9:45 am here. So what we are going to do, here also we are going to take the value of VWAP. We are not taking the value of low of the 9:35 candlestick. We are taking the value of VWAP at 9:35 candlestick. So the value is 32757. So what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to turn off this Gann intraday levels. We are going to click on settings. Then we are going to click here. Then we are going to enter the value as 32757. And then we are going to click on OK. Then we are going to turn on this indicator. So now here you can see these were the levels. So here you can see on this day the market has taken the support twice at this Gann level. So it's a good sign that the market can go in the uptrend. So in the upcoming lectures I am going to show and I am going to reveal all the concepts about the Gann levels. So right now just focus on this. I am telling again and again, right now just focus on how to plot the Gann intraday levels on the chart. You just have to take 9:35 VWAP value, not the candlestick open, high, low, close value. No, nothing. You just have to take VWAP value of 9:35 am. So the value was 32757. We have just taken this value and we have entered that value in Gann intraday level. Now I have to show you one more point. What will happen if we are going to change the time frame? So now I am going to change the time frame to 5 minutes. So now I have changed the time frame to 5 minutes, and here you can see the 9:35 value was somewhere here, 32753, and what we entered 32757. So this buffer we can allow. It is not going to make any difference. If we are going to change it to 32753, the Gann levels are not going to move. The values are not going to get moved. The Gann levels are not going to get reacted by few points. That's why I am telling it is not going to affect by changing the time frame. Here also you can see the 9:35 candlestick is there in between 9:30 to 9:45. So at this point also you can take this value of VWAP, and the VWAP value will be somewhere around 32749. It is not going to create any huge change in the values or in the huge change in the levels. That's why I am telling it is not going to get affected by changing your time frame. You can keep any time frame, but the recommended time frame is 5 or 10 minutes only. So the value we have kept here, we have taken this value, we have entered this value in this indicator Gann intraday level, and we have got these two levels. So then see how the market reacted on that day. See this. So here you can see the market rised around 394 points. So you just imagine if you had taken on this day trade on the basis of Gann levels, you will make profit. On this day if you have taken the trade and if you are not having any analysis that how to exactly you have to trade in the sideways market or how to exactly analyze that market is sideways or ranging today. In that case, if you are just going to place your trade and if your stop loss is going to get hitted, then you are going to make the profit on another day. So on 2 days you are going to make profit, on 1 day you are going to make the loss. It is a very good money management plan, or we can say it is a very good risk management plan. So if you are having any doubts still about how to exactly plot the Gann intraday levels using the spot VWAP, for that once again I am going to show you that how to plot. Now we are going to look for the next day. So see here, on this day the market again reacted from this level and buyers were entered from the buy above price. So on 12th of May 9:15 the market got open. So again what we are going to do, we are going to take the value of 9:35 AM of VWAP. So the VWAP value we are going to place here. So we have plotted the level and it tells us that the value was 32648 of VWAP on 9:35 candlestick. What we are going to do, we are going to turn off this indicator, then we are going to click on settings, then we are going to click on value and we are going to enter the same price which was 32648. Remember this point I am telling again and again, you don't have to take open, high, low, close value of candlestick. We have to take VWAP value only. Then after that we are going to click on OK and then we are going to turn it on. Then market is going to react. See how market reacted on this day. From this sell below level also market fall down around 184 points. So in the upcoming lectures we are going to provide you all the information about entry, exit and stop loss so that your risk management, money management, risk reward ratio is in the proper control, is within the limit, and you are going to make profit using this Gann intraday levels indicators and using VWAP indicator. Still, if you are having any doubts about how to exactly plot this indicator using VWAP, you can message us on Udemy as well as on merchanttradings.com.